DJI Osmo Nano is generating a ton of buzz thanks to some recent leaks, and I can't wait to break it all down for you. From its design to its impressive specs, and how it compares to competitors like the Insta360 Go Ultra, we've got a lot to cover. The Osmo Nano looks like it could be great for vloggers, adventurers, or anyone who wants to capture life on the go. So, let's jump into the details. Stick with me until the end for my thoughts on why this camera might be your next purchase. Let's start with the structure and design of the DJI Osmo Nano. This isn't just another tiny cam. It's built with a modular system that makes it incredibly versatile. According to leaked diagrams, the Osmo Nano has a core camera unit that connects magnetically to different accessories. This means you can switch from, say, a chest-mounted setup for a first-person view to a tripod mount in seconds. It's all about flexibility and making filming as seamless as possible. The top of the camera has a detachable module with a magnetic connection, which feels like a smart evolution from DJI's Action 2, but even more refined. The leaks also show off some cool accessories that expand what this camera can do. There's a magnetic mount claw that's perfect for clipping onto fabrics. Imagine attaching it to your dog's collar for awesome pet POV footage, like a golden retriever sprinting through a park. You've also got a ball joint for adjustable angles, which is great for getting the perfect shot in any situation. Then there are dual magnetic adapters for mounting on vehicles or helmets, ideal for cyclists or skiers, and a mount cap for headbands, which is awesome for hands-free filming during hikes or workouts. This modular approach lets you switch between different setups effortlessly, whether you're filming from your chest or setting up a steady shot on a tripod. Let's talk about the key design features that make the Osmo Nano stand out. The camera has a wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing immersive, expansive shots, and a green status indicator on top to show when it's recording or charging. That indicator is part of the detachable module with the magnetic connection, keeping the design clean and user-friendly. For storage, there's a built-in micro SD card slot, so you can expand your memory and keep filming without worrying about running out of space. You also get two internal storage options, 64 GB or 128 GB, which gives you flexibility depending on how much footage you need to store. One of the coolest features is the OLED touchscreen. Even though this is a tiny POV camera, DJI managed to fit in a high-quality OLED display that lets you tweak settings and see a live view of your shot. It's super handy for framing your footage on the go without always needing your phone. Another big highlight is the rapid charging. This thing can hit 80% battery in just 20 minutes via USB-C, and it supports bidirectional power, so you can use it to charge other devices in a pinch. That's a lifesaver for long shoots out in the field. The camera's body has a brushed metal finish, which not only looks sleek, but adds durability without making it heavy. The core unit is estimated to weigh under 58 grams, lighter than most smartphones. There's also mention of an external display option in the leaks, which could make monitoring your shots even easier. Based on leaks from FCC filings, insider info, and those detailed diagrams, we've got a solid picture of what this camera can do. Starting with video, it supports 4K recording at DCI 4K60 for crisp, cinematic footage, UHD 4K 120 for smooth slow motion, and 1080p 240 for ultra slow motion shots that make every moment epic. It also has active AI tracking, which means the camera can follow moving subjects intelligently, perfect for sports, vlogging, or capturing fast-paced action. Stabilization is a big deal here, and DJI is delivering with Rocksteady 3.0. This tech keeps your footage smooth, even if you're bouncing around on a bike or running through rough terrain. There's also horizon lock to keep your horizons level no matter how much you tilt the camera, so your shots always look professional. Plus, there are intelligent modes that make stabilization easy for beginners while still offering pro-level results. Integration is another strong point. You can pair the Osmo Nano with the DJI Mic 3 for top-notch audio. which is crucial for clear sound in your videos. It also connects to the DJI Mimo app, giving you live previews, AI-powered editing suggestions, one-tap filters, and direct social sharing. Imagine filming a clip, letting the app suggest edits, and posting it to Instagram in minutes. That's the kind of streamlined workflow creators dream about. These specs make the Osmo Nano not just a camera, but a full content creation tool. According to the leaks, the DJI Osmo Nano 64GB model is expected to cost €369 in Europe, or about $338 in the US, available at places like B and H. The 128GB version bumps up to €399, or $365. That's pretty competitive for a camera with this level of modularity, specs, and accessories. It feels like a solid value for anyone looking to step up their POV game. But how well does the Osmo Nano stack up against competitors like the Insta360 Go Ultra, which launched recently, and the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini? For weight, the Osmo Nano is rumored to be around 50 to 60 grams for the core unit, almost identical to the Go Ultra's 53 grams. Both are super lightweight, perfect for tossing in your pocket. The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini at 133 grams is noticeably heavier, so the Nano and Go Ultra win for portability. The Osmo Nano offers 4K 60 frames per second with hints of possibly higher capabilities, while the Go Ultra matches at 4K 60 frames per second, but includes active HDR for better dynamic range. The GoPro goes higher with 5.3K 60 frames per second, which is great if you need ultra-high resolution, but for quick POV shots, 4K is often plenty. DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 with Horizon Lock and AI tracking is top tier, matching up well against Insta360's Flow State and Horizon Lock. GoPro's Hypersmooth 4.0 is excellent too, but the Nano's AI tracking could give it an edge for dynamic shots. The Osmo Nano gives you 2 to 2.5 hours with that speedy 20-minute 80% charge. The Go Ultra offers up to 170 minutes with its case, slightly longer, but the Nano's fast charging is a big plus. GoPro's up to 2 hours is solid, but less exciting. The Nano stands out with 64 or 128GB internal storage, plus a micro SD slot for expansion. The Go Ultra has 64 or 128GB internal, but no SD slot, and GoPro relies only on micro SD. If you shoot a lot, the Nano's expandable storage is a major advantage. The Osmo Nano's modular magnetic system and detachable OLED screen make it incredibly versatile. The Go Ultra excels in low light with its pure video mode and has a tiny form factor. GoPro's strength is its ruggedness, with waterproofing up to 33 feet, perfect for extreme sports. Price-wise, the Osmo Nano at $338 to $365 is more affordable than the Go Ultra's $399 and competitive with the GoPro's $299, especially considering the Nano's modularity. The Osmo Nano seems ready to take on the Go Ultra with its modular design and app integration, while holding its own against GoPro's durability. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight POV camera, the Nano could be a strong contender. So, what's the verdict? The DJI Osmo Nano looks like a bold step into the ultra-portable, AI-enhanced POV camera space. It builds on the strengths of DJI's Action 2, but pushes things further with its modular design, impressive specs, and competitive pricing. Whether you're a vlogger, an adventurer, or just want to capture your dog's point of view, this camera seems built to adapt to your needs. Since this is all based on leaks, we're eagerly awaiting the official announcement, expected any day now. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the DJI Osmo Nano, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring the bell so you don't miss our coverage of the official launch. Let me know in the comments. Are you leaning toward the Osmo Nano, or are you sticking with the Insta360 Go Ultra or GoPro?